Some problems occur when we are printing a BS resin on small large size machine. The document was so large that it took 2 days. The larger machines are still in the final testing phase and not available for sales yet. This is the overall effect, and we will analyze it as a whole later. I'm sorry about this, but which is because we are anxious to see the result, so I pressed pause button to see the printing situation. I accidentally touched the machine during the process, resulting in such a deep mark because of shaking when I opened the printing again. So try not to press the pause button while printing, and make sure adding sufficient resin. The supports this time were great. Support settings are critical while printing large-scale models. The upper fork support is 0.8 mm, and the middle support is 3 mm. At the bottom we set relatively denser supports, 1.5 diameter. If you do not add well, you will not be able to pull the main part of the prints, leading to failure. If this line isn't straight enough, it's lacking of supports. Here are the support set spec for your reference. I printed it by tilting it 30 angle. Printing this way will reduce printing time and setback supports. I will do the printing test again, adjust the printing effect to the best, and then share with you.